Have you ever wondered how an octopus can vanish into thin air in the blink of an eye? It's not magic, but an incredible feat of nature's ingenuity. Octopuses are often hailed as the masters of disguise in the marine world. Their secret weapon? Their skin. It's a marvel of biological engineering that allows them to mimic different textures and colors in an instant. Imagine this. An octopus is swimming along when it spots a predator. In the blink of an eye, it transforms its appearance, becoming indistinguishable from a nearby rock or plant. This camouflage ability is not just for evading hungry predators, but also for sneaking up on unsuspecting prey. They can lurk unnoticed, then strike with lightning speed. The octopus is a creature of cunning and stealth, a master of illusion and deception in the underwater world. So the next time you're snorkeling and see a rock suddenly move, it could just be an octopus playing hide and seek. Did you know that octopuses are among the smartest creatures in the sea? These 8-armed wonders are not just masters of disguise, but are also astonishingly intelligent. One of the striking examples of octopus intelligence is their problem-solving skills. Consider this. If you give an octopus a puzzle, like a bottle with a treat inside, it won't give up until it figures it out. It'll twist, turn, probe, and poke until it finally gets to the reward. This persistent problem-solving ability is not something you typically find in invertebrates, making octopuses stand out in the animal kingdom. And it doesn't stop there. Octopuses can also use tools, a behavior once thought to be exclusive to humans and some primates. From using coconut shells as mobile homes to turning seashells into defensive armor, octopuses are the ultimate DIY experts of the sea. They demonstrate a level of ingenuity and foresight that's truly remarkable. Now let's talk about escape artists. There are countless tales of octopuses making daring escapes from aquariums. They've been known to squeeze through impossibly small holes, navigate complex mazes of pipes, and even cross dry land to get to their destination. In one famous case, an octopus named Inky made headlines when he slipped out of his enclosure at a New Zealand aquarium and slithered down a 50-meter drain pipe to freedom. Then there's the matter of dexterity. Octopuses can manipulate their surroundings with surprising precision. They can open jars, unscrew lids, and handle delicate objects without causing any damage. This fine motor control, combined with their problem-solving skills, makes them incredibly adept at navigating their environment. So next time you see an octopus, remember that there's more to this creature than meets the eye. Behind those large, curious eyes is a brain that's busy thinking, learning, and solving problems. Don't underestimate these 8-armed brainiacs. They might just outsmart you. Did you know that an octopus can regrow its arms? Now that's a fun fact to share at your next dinner party. Octopuses are true masters of regeneration, a skill that puts them in the league of superheroes. Let's dive a little deeper. If an octopus loses an arm, it doesn't wallow in despair. Instead, it kickstarts an incredible process of regeneration. This process isn't as simple as sticking a plaster on a wound. It involves the growth of entirely new tissues and structures. The octopus begins by sealing off the wound to prevent infection, much like our bodies form scabs. Then, cells near the injury site start to multiply and differentiate, which is a fancy way of saying they transform into the specific types of cells needed to create a new arm. Over time, these cells grow and shape themselves into a fully formed arm, complete with muscles, skin, and yes, even those iconic suckers. The most astonishing part? The octopus can regenerate its nerves too. That's right, it can rewire its own nervous system. Imagine being able to regrow an arm, complete with all the intricate nerves and structures, just like that. It's a skill that's as fantastic as it is mind-boggling. Octopuses, with their 8 arms and regenerative abilities, truly are marvels of the deep sea. So, while we humans rush to the doctor for a small cut, octopuses simply regrow a whole new limb. Ever wondered why an octopus squirts ink? It's not just because they're the Picassos of the sea. This ink squirting is actually a clever defense mechanism. When an octopus feels threatened, it releases a cloud of ink into the water, creating a smokescreen that confuses predators and allows the octopus to make a swift getaway. This ink isn't just a visual distraction, though. It's a complex concoction that can dull a predator's sense of smell, making it even harder for them to track the octopus. Ingenious, isn't it? But the surprises don't stop there. For creatures so intelligent and complex, octopuses have a remarkably short lifespan. Most species of octopus live for less than 2 years. Larger species like the giant Pacific octopus may live up to 5 years if they're lucky. This seems paradoxical, doesn't it? How can a creature with such advanced behaviors and sophisticated survival strategies only live for such a short time? Well, scientists believe it has to do with a process called senescence, which is essentially rapid aging. After breeding, both male and female octopuses begin to age quickly. They stop eating, their immune systems decline, and they eventually die. This process is so ingrained in their biology that even octopuses in captivity, safe from predators and with plenty of food, still follow this same life cycle. So what makes this short-lived, ink-squirting creature so captivating? Perhaps it's the paradox itself. The octopus, with its myriad of complex behaviors, its ability to learn, adapt, and survive, all packed into such a short life, is a testament to the wonders of nature. It's a creature that challenges our understanding of life and intelligence in the animal kingdom. As you can see, the life of an octopus is truly fascinating and full of surprises. So, what can we take away from this exploration of octopuses? Just as we've journeyed through the depths of the ocean, we've also delved deep into the world of these extraordinary creatures today. These 8-armed wonders have taken us on a whirlwind tour of their abilities and characteristics that are nothing short of awe-inspiring. We've seen them as the masters of disguise, capable of transforming their color, shape, and texture to flawlessly blend into their surroundings. It's not just about hiding from predators, it's also a way of sneaking up on their prey. Imagine being able to change your appearance at will, like a chameleon on overdrive. That's an octopus for you. And if their camouflage skills weren't enough to impress you, we've also explored their remarkable intelligence. These creatures are not just smart, they're problem solvers, escape artists, and even playful beings. They have the ability to learn from experience, use tools, and navigate complex mazes. They can open jars, mimic other species, and some have even been known to play with toys. This level of intelligence is rare among invertebrates, making octopuses truly unique. Then there's the art of regeneration. Just like a comic book superhero, an octopus can regrow lost arms. It's a survival strategy that helps them escape predators and live to see another day. But it's not just about growing back an arm. The regenerated limb can fully function, complete with nerves, suckers, and the ability to change color for camouflage. It's nature's magic trick, performed by the octopus. We've also journeyed from the ink to the lifespan of these fantastic creatures. The ink is not just a smokescreen for escape, it's a sensory disruptor that confuses predators. And while their lifespan might be short, some species living only for 6 months, they live life in the fast lane, growing swiftly, learning quickly, and leaving a lasting impact on their environment and us. So, as we wrap up our exploration, let's marvel once again at these incredible creatures. They're not just inhabitants of the deep sea, they're active participants, influencing their environment in ways that continue to surprise and inspire us. They're a testament to the wonders of evolution and the diversity of life on our planet. Whether it's their intelligence, their regenerative abilities, or their masterful camouflage, octopuses continue to astonish and inspire us. They truly are the wonders of the ocean.